The sketch shows the graph of y equals x squared plus 2x. The marked point P is 1, 3. First of all, we're going to find the equation of the tangent at P. The gradient of a curve is defined as the gradient of the tangent to the curve at that point. So first of all, we need to calculate the gradient function. To do that, we need to differentiate y with respect to x. So we get dy by dx equals 2x plus 2. At the point 1, 3, that means that the value of x equals 1. So I'm now going to substitute in the value x equals 1. So when x equals 1, dy by dx equals 2 plus 2, which is 4. So now we know that the gradient is 4 at point P. To find the equation of the tangent, we need to use y equals mx plus c. M stands for the gradient, so I can replace that with y equals 4x plus c. Because we know that the point P is 1, 3, we now need to substitute in the value for x equals 1 and y equals 3 in order to find the value of c. And that becomes 3 equals 4 times 1, 4, plus c. Subtracting 4 from both sides gives us that c equals minus 1. So now we know that the equation of the tangent at P is given by y equals 4x and the c is minus 1. That is part A. Now for part B, we need to find the equation of the normal at P. So we know the equation of the tangent drawn at P, and so the normal at P is the line perpendicular to the tangent. So perpendicular means at right angles to the tangent. Now we know that perpendicular lines means that the gradients must equal minus 1. So we now put in the gradient of the tangent is 4, and so we say 4 times what would give us minus 1, and that is going to be minus 1/4. In other words, it's a negative, the reciprocal. Now we know that the equation will start with y, part B, y equals mx plus c, and we now know that the gradient of the line perpendicular will be minus 1/4. So we'll get y equals minus 1/4 x plus c. Again, we need to substitute in the point that we're given, which is 1, 3. And so now we have 3 equals minus 1/4 times 1, which is minus 1/4, plus c. Adding 1/4 to both sides, that will give us 3 1/4 equals c. And so the equation of the line perpendicular to the tangent, i.e. the normal, is going to be y equals minus 1/4 x plus 3 1/4. We could multiply throughout by 4 to tidy this up, giving us 4y equals minus x plus 13.